Okay, so I'm about to try my bike for the last time before installing a Bafang mid-motor drive uh, electric bike kit, and I also wanted to try this phone holder. So I got it on Amazon for I think something like $16 or $17 plus tax. Uh, it looks like this. It's by a company called Telesin. This actually it's made in China, obviously, and basically just going to install it now on the handlebars. So basically, you can use it to install a phone, or you can also use it to install one of those GoPro type cameras, and it's got adapters for everything. So let's see what it looks like. Yeah, so those are all the parts it comes with, and there are some instructions on how to go about it, but essentially uh, this is like a clamp, and you have to basically install this. So I'm gonna install this on the handlebars here and then continue the video.